Sponsored by VSK Business Consultant. 14 tips for business buyers. 1. Define your goals. Be clear about why you want to buy a business. Consider your skills, interests, and financial resources to find a business that fits your long-term vision. 2. Conduct thorough due diligence. This is the most crucial step. You need to verify all aspects of the business, including financial records, legal compliance, and operational systems, to confirm the business's value and identify any potential risks. 3. Assemble an expert team. Don't attempt to buy a business on your own. Work with a team of professionals, including an attorney who specializes in business acquisitions, an experienced accountant, and a business valuation expert. 4. Evaluate financial health. Scrutinize the business's financial statements for the past several years. Look for consistent revenue, stable profits, and positive cash flow. Be cautious of any inconsistencies or sudden changes in financial performance. 5. Understand the seller's motivation. The reason the current owner is selling can provide key insights. A seller's motivation can influence the negotiation process and reveal potential issues. 6. Assess operational efficiency. Go beyond the numbers to understand how the business operates. Examine its processes, technology, and key personnel. A strong operational foundation is essential for a smooth transition and future growth. 7. Analyze the market and competition. Research the industry and the business's place in the market. Understand the competitive landscape, market trends, and potential for growth. 8. Negotiate with confidence. The purchase price is just one part of the deal. Be prepared to negotiate on other terms, such as seller financing, a transition plan, and a non-compete agreement. 9. Secure financing. Have a clear plan for how you will fund the acquisition. This could involve using your own capital, securing a loan from a bank, or working out a deal with the seller for financing. 10. Plan for a smooth transition. Create a detailed plan for the transition period, including how to handle key employees, communicate with customers, and integrate new systems. A well-planned transition is vital for business continuity. 11. Check for hidden liabilities. During due diligence, look for any off-the-books liabilities, such as outstanding lawsuits, unrecorded debts, or environmental issues that could become your responsibility after the purchase. 12. Review all contracts. Carefully examine all existing contracts, including leases, supplier agreements, and customer contracts. Ensure you understand the terms and conditions and that they are transferable. 13. Talk to key employees and customers. If possible, speak with key employees and loyal customers to get a feel for the company culture and customer satisfaction. This can provide valuable qualitative data that financial statements don't show. 14. Get a professional business valuation. While the seller may provide a price, it's crucial to get an independent valuation from a professional. This will give you a clear, unbiased understanding of the business's true worth. Visit www.vskbusinessconsultant.in. Contact 9840336999.